Expected tornado emergency for rural far eastern Osage County. A tornado warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for East Central Osage and Northern Washington counties. At 9:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located 4 miles northeast of BARNSDALL, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for rural far eastern Osage County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations in or near the path include Bartlesville, Dewey, Barnsdall, Okesa, Bartlesville Municipal Airport, Talent. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado emergency for rural far eastern